In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clickable link to your Canva video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to attach a link to an element in your design so viewers can find your website, product page, or any resource you want to share. Start by opening your Canva video project. You can use a ready-made template like a breaking news layout or your own design. Once your video is open on the canvas, decide which element should become clickable. Text boxes and button elements are the most common choices because they're clear and easy for viewers to recognize. Click directly on the spot where you want the link. If your design includes sample text, click that text to select it. You'll see the bounding box appear confirming it's active. If it's a shape or button, select that object the same way. The key is to make sure the exact element you want to link is highlighted. With the element selected, open the More Options menu by clicking the three dots in the toolbar. This reveals extra actions that aren't always shown by default, including linking. From there, choose the link option. A small field will appear where you can add your URL. Type or paste your link into the field. For the best results, include the full address, starting with https so Canva recognizes it correctly. Double check for typos because the link will go exactly where you point it. If your link is long, consider using a clean, easy-to-read call to action in your text like learn more or get the guide, while keeping the full URL in the link field itself. When you're happy with the URL, click Done. Your link is now attached to that element. You can keep editing the design, change the font, color, or size of the text or button, and the link will stay with it. Remember that only the linked element is clickable, so make it visually clear and large enough to tap on mobile devices. A quick note about behavior. Links added in Canva are interactive when viewed in formats that support links such as design shared via a Canva view link or certain interactive exports. Standard MP4 video files typically don't support clickable areas during playback. If your final output is a video, consider displaying the URL on screen and placing the clickable link in your video description as a companion. That's all you need to add a clickable link inside your Canva video design. Open your project, select the element, use the three dots to find the link option, paste your URL, and click Done. Clean, simple, and effective.